natulog ang monkey, Bi.
Baby monkey.
Hala si Jay, hala si Kanang Emerald na ginilakaw.
Siyang niya.
Anong ikaw pa yung baby mo na?
Bantot, nakadri bantot. Oh. Naram yung mga lahi, Dre. Yeah.
Nawong ni Kael. Nawong ni ate. Nawong ni.
Sudah di kau, sudah di kau. Mia, diri. Diri na dia, diri ta. Hello guys, nami karon sa Cebu Safari. Sakay namin karon kay maadto mi sa Tiger Show ay mag-feeding na sa tiger. Abot ni Osak yan. Niya.
Sabay na di ba ta?
Ha?
Sabay. Isa mo na sila dito.
Kalut na.
Meerkat. Ano na sila ito?
Kalut siya binagkalut. Ano siya binag? Kaya ko naman kalut.
Wala na siya.
Taong. Sige na.
Ta! Ay din ta!
Sisi.
Mato dito.
Social.
Mato dito ito sa may samin.
Tara. Ano ba? Under the same family lang manggod mo. Oh no, chika. Picture. Oh wow. Big.
Ay, duol pag dito ba?
Uy, sisiyang kauban.
Isa lang.
Alam mo duol oh. Mia, scared ka sa cheetah?
Ubi.
Ta!
Anak ko, ikaw na po. Kung anak ko pasikat.
Ta!
Suri ko ba?
Cheetah!
Suri. Isa pa.
Mia.
Ay, wala dire. It's a prank. Anay turtle, Bian. Anay turtle. Anay turtle na.
Betul ganito yung paakhan.
Meron na siyang ngipon.
Pansa, under maintenance. Wow! Nasa
Yeah. Turtle na, turtle.
Mate ka din, ma'am.
Tapi juta ka tingin ni datang dua kay.
Sino na ba?
Mia, Mia. Bem, bem, bem. Na, nagkaon siya, Bi, oh. Hi. Isa kaon, Bi. Saan yung kaon, Bi?
Iya ba?
Bantay mo, dagko kuya kayo.
Oh, Dabi, kaya migas, Bi.
Huwag na, imigas ni.
Oh, na.
Wow. Kita ka sa bird. Wala ko talaga. Hey. Trending na siya. Hey.
Wala
Jen.
ta kay kita og baboy.
Ah. No, sa'yo, mahal. Saan na doon? Which? Century po na. African lion.
Next stop na ito, ma'am. Krokodilo mo sa mo. Gamas krokodilo, pagka sa banan.
Ha?
Lobong ba dia nak
Ano din sita?
Lawa kita?
Wala.
Dili na side lagi ako.
Di man to cheetah, African lion man to.
Tekan layan to?
Hello. Papayas, hindi ka mo. Kapruta.
Aku ayaw deh. Aku ayaw daddy. Daddy, oh. Daddy.
So big.
One of the largest antelopes. Despite of that huge size, they are great jumpers. So they can jump up to 9 feet and they can run 25 miles per hour. Female eland can produce milk 7 liters per day. That is richer in fats than a cow's milk. Once again, eland. Baby eland, 8 months old. Filipino citizen. Same as with JJ and Leo, 4 years old and 5 years old.
Hey JJ.
din eh. Okay na ka?
Stop sa natin dito.
Further lifespans, antelopes can live up to 20 to 25 years, while zebras can live up to 20 to 40 years. And we call it here African savanna because one of our animals here originates from Africa. But they were being bred and raised in captivity in UAE, USA, and Belgium. And some of them are Filipino citizens already because
Wow.
they're born here at Cebu Safari. Because here at Cebu Safari, our
that birth
mission has
certificate?
always been wildlife conservation. And those are wildebeest, a large
Wildebeest.
rainbow and black mane on its face. And they are also known as the flag of the savannah because of its unusual dance moves. And those are Transcon or Oryx or Madame Gazelle of the series by Barry. They are known
Ha?
Dili na gazelle. To ang gazelle na dari sa other side to.
Same gyapon. Lahi lang siya og klase nga kuan. Oryx lang siya nga gazelle.
They can run up to 60 kilometers.
Bigyan kita picture ba? Hold on the ground.
So here inside we have 3 white lions, bred and raised in captivity in tribes. Puro sila lalaki, malagsuan, and 9 years old. And
Wow.
kaning area is 1.2 hectares, only for lion lang, ma'am, sir. Wow! So wait lang, kami lang sa ulit
Wala man ito kita mo agre.
Sagkop sa inyo.
Hans, paliw ko video ang sabi magkita akong data sa.
Ilang names kay sa Bukoy, si Max and si Jack. Si Bukoy na ang nagmata. So as you can see, dili sila entirely white or totally white. That's because dili na sila albinos. Lisistic na sila same sa atong skin kung bugnaw mo puti, kung init mo. So ang pagkaon nila kay chicken sa beef. So ang pagkaon nila kay chicken or beef, totaling 5 to 8 kilograms per lion per day. Next is na sila because they're nocturnal animals. They sleep or rest 16 to 20 hours a day.
Go. 16.
Yes, maganda si Jack, mama pinakadako sa ilaha. Kanang nagatubang din mo na ang acting alpha sa ilaha. Ang kanang nasa yung luyo ang pinakagwapo na sa ilaha.
Ay, ka ni gwapo kay ko ba? Di ba nakapagwapo daw siya?
Jack.
Nakadungog man.
So, ito siya si Jack, ang pinakadako.
Ano?
Si Bukoy is small but terrible na siya. The pioneer is 200 to 250 kilograms na siya.
Kota daing no?
Yes.
Duman siya kanaon. Pero 250.
Ang napadyo dagko nila man pero sila ang pinakabukat. Ang dagko nila is ang tiger.
Isa lang ka.
Si Condor na si Bugoy na ko ito.
Bukoy, Max, at Jack. So, puro sila lalaki. Wala'y babae nga layon din ito. Sa paring para dili sila magpatay.
Si Luso din sila.
Magpatay na sila mga sa Lions Manggod kung kinsa ang king sa ilahang group mo ora ang makabit sa
Ay, makakon sa babae. Makahilabot.
Yes, ma'am. Bisag unsa pa nakadaghan ang babae siya ra jud ang usa nga
Marag ka lang siya ang hero.
Ay,
maki. Tama, king lion.
So, territorial animals po na ang lions, they mark their territory using scratching the trees. Kasi kasagaran sa kawal kay naging pinabrasan.
More ang territory.
Sleep na sila nung mga animals na sila monster. Active na sila yung nagkakabi. So, yung sleep ka or rest, 16 to 20 hours.
So kung imo na ani week sila, paggabi dito sila mag-active. Asa to pa mula ang kadimi kinahanglan asa mo grabe. Like kung gabi anak din sila.
Pwede mag-hunting.
Nasa may night safari, ma'am.
Ay na night
Yes,
safari.
ma'am.
Same price lang, ma'am.
Lain po, ma'am. Lain o price ang night safari, kaya makita nga animals is 3 animals naman. Tigers, lions, and hyena.
Mao lang.
Okay, tulog
Okay,
ako.
mama na sila magtulog kung adlawan no. Bilog na ang tulog ako ana.
Mga doktor na.
Yes.
Silver. But wait, here's more. Here comes our second white belt eagle named Fuji and Marina. A white belt eagle, they're also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the coast. As you can see, they have a white plumage from their head down to the underparts, with its wings and back are dark gray in color. These large raptors can grow from 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with an impressive wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. Now, a baby sea eagle stays in the nest for 7 to 8 days, although they lay 2 eggs, but only one usually survives due to sibling rivalry. Now lastly, a white-bellied sea eagle symbolizes wilderness and freedom. So round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagles named Silver, Fuji, and Marina. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here at Cebu Safari, we're not just about creating fun and unforgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safer habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. And before we totally end up the show, let me introduce you the people behind the success of this show. We have your bird trainers, Mr. Raman, Mr. Charles, Mr. Ruben, and Mr. James. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now yours truly, my name is Murphy. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the live. Now everyone, if you want to take pictures of our photographers, we have your official photographers of the crew. And this is your only chance, guys, and this is totally free. Now to those who have been to Wildlife Safari, Camel, Birds of the World, and African Savannah, just go up and turn to your left side. Proceed to Orangutan area. That is our pickup point for our key attractions here inside the park. And to those who want to witness our white Bengal tiger feeding, it starts at 2:30 p.m. later in the afternoon. So just go up and turn to the right side, proceed to Tiger there. Now once again, this has been Murphy. Thank you so much, everybody, and enjoy the rest of the live.
10-4, negative ako, Andre.
Nani amba.
Lemar.
Mana butterfly oh? Lana pa. Sorry po.
Na natulog ang isa.
Tulog lagi kalaw.
Natulog.